Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a wave text using Canva and Photopea. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first, I'm going to use my browser, Google Chrome over here. Then we go to Google, and now we're going to search for Canva and open this website, canva.com. And then once you open this website, you're going to click on Create a Design. And you can create any of these, or you can pick up a template. So I'm gonna pick up any template of here, searching for example for Halloween. And then here I'm gonna pick up, for example, this one for a happy Halloween, and click on customize this template. And if you'd like to add something or delete something, you're ready to go to do this, but I'm not gonna do this over here. And then I'm gonna click on share and go down to download. Also, you need to make sure to click on transparent background, but in my case I don't have a membership, so this option isn't available for me. But if you do have a membership, just click on transparent background, and the file should be PNG, and then click on download and wait a few seconds. And now the file's been downloaded, so let's go for Google and search for Photopea and open this website. It's an online website that so click open from computer and go for downloads. Let's pick up our picture here, the design, and then you're gonna pick up the layer over here, click on it and go to edit, go for transform, and then choose work. Now go here for this which says none and change the pattern to any of these. I'm gonna pick up wave over here, and it should be like this. And that's how you can create a wave picture. So let's download it over here, click on file, and then go for save or export as, and you can choose any of these. So I'm going to pick up PNG and I'm going to click on it, and then I will save the design. That's how to create a wave pattern using Photopea and Canva. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.